Senator Jinggoy Estrada delivers his privileged speech before the Senate Wednesday. Maintaining his innocence, Estrada cries foul and says he is being demonized, along with Senators Juan Ponce Enrile and Bong Revilla. He slams the media for being selective, focusing on the three senators, despite other names implicated in the biggest corruption scandal in recent history.
May iba pang pangalan na sinasabing sangkot sa anomalya. 28 solons nga ang sabi sa paunang balita, hindi po ba? Ngunit, bukod sa pangalan ni Enrile, Revilla at Estrada, may nakakaalala ba kung sino pa ang sinasabing iba pang sangkot sa anomalya? Wala po, Ginoong Pangulo. Hindi na sila nabigyan ng pansin sapagkat ang pangalan ni Enrile, Revilla at Estrada na lamang ang kanilang bukang bibig at parating sinasambit. Ako, si Senador Enrile at Revilla, ang tila ba inuulam mula almusal, tanghalian, merienda at hapunan. And this still holds true to this very day.
Estrada hits colleague Senator T.G. Gangona for conducting an investigation that he felt was not, quote, fair, reasonable, and considerate.
3-point buzzer beater winning shot. Hindi ba't ganyan hinalintulad ng chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee ang salaysay ni Ginang Ruby Tuason? Hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon. Buo na sa isip ng chairman ng Blue Ribbon na kami po ang may kasalanan. Tanda, sexy at pogi. Yan naman ang paulit-ulit na sinambit at pinasasambit ng ibang mga miyembro ng Blue Ribbon na para bang tuwan-tuwa na nangungutya.
During his speech, Estrada plays video clips of Ombudsman Conchita Morales and accuses her of, quote, selective prosecution and investigation.
Whoever are those involved in the PDAP controversy, they should start coming up with their defense. Because we will surely file a case if we find that probable cause exists.
Mr. President, how can this strongly worded advice inspire belief that the Ombudsman could be impartial in the conduct of its investigation? Mr. President, your guess is as good as mine. This statement definitely exposed the prejudice and biased manner by which the Ombudsman presided over the case. My constitutional right to due process has been blatantly trampled upon by the Ombudsman, no less. Ginoong Pangulo. Nais ko pong ipakadiin sa inyo, sa aking mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po sa aking mga mahal na masang Pilipino. Hindi po ako magnanakaw.
The Ombudsman filed plunder and graft charges against the three senators for allegedly colluding to pocket development funds. Anti-graft court Sandigan Bayan will determine Friday which divisions will handle the pork barrel scam cases.